in at 257 pounds, Mr. Perfect!
A flawless technician, everything executed in the ring in textbook style.
Byron, I believe the word you are looking for is not flawless, it's not textbook, it's perfect.
One of the all-time greats.
Cole, some people spend their entire lives striving for greatness. Mr. Perfect just obtained greatness naturally.
Go ahead, Corey. Tell us all about The Miz.
The Miz is the man who single-handedly turned SmackDown from the B show to the show. A star of stage, screen, reality television. Is there anything The Miz hasn't done?
Did The Miz pay you to say all that, Corey?
Absolutely not, Byron Saxton. I happen to be a hopeful for consideration for a Mizzy this year.
Really?
That's right.
Mizzy? Oh, come on. That would be awesome, Corey. That would be ridiculous. Where would you put it?
On my mantle with my most prized possessions.
Why are you encouraging him, Michael? I would love to have him in.
I'm the wrestling king. And from Germany, weighing in at 226 pounds, the WWE Universal Champion, the Psycho. Because I don't care about you. Bitch! Sorry, with the dock, my mighty ball will crush you. When I come, the reckoning begins. Your resistance, a case for the balance sheet.
Hey guys, despite the title not being on the line, this is still very much a big match.
Of course it is, Cole. This is an opportunity for the champ to prove exactly how dominant he is. And trust me, he doesn't take these opportunities lightly.
It's time for our first match of the night, guys, and it looks like we have quite the contest coming up.
And good luck to those who have to follow this one. You're gonna need it.
line.
And here we go.
Ouch.
In a fatal four-way match, you literally have to be looking over your shoulder at all times. The second you let your guard down is the second you can be the victim of a blindside attack and pin.
You know, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champ. He can't afford to show any weakness here.
Nailed it. Big backdrop. What a stomp. Good grief.
Bringing it back into the ring. He's looking at it.
Ooh, that kick could be a game changer. He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
Looks like he has other plans here.
I think he was just looking to soften him up a little here.
Looking to hurt him here. Oh my God, shoulder breaker.
That could cause long-term damage.
Clubbing blow to the back. Oh, shoulder first.
I think the ring just shifted.
Mr. Perfect faltering some. We all know, though, this guy has plenty of fight left in him.
When I talk about fatal four-way matches, I always think back to the classic battle at Backlash 2007 between Shawn Michaels, John Cena, Randy Orton, and the Rated R superstar Edge. The action was so fast and furious from the get-go and served as a prime example of why a superstar needs eyes in the back of their head in a fatal four-way match.
As Corey mentioned, Daniel Bryan versus Kane from 2014 provided scenes we never thought we'd see. Most notably for me was Bryan carrying Kane back to the ring via a forklift.
That's right up there, Michael, but let's not forget that was also the match where Kane went through a flaming table.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Beautiful technique.
And Mr. Perfect evades that one. As we've seen in the past, Extreme Rules matches create a type of hysteria that's difficult to describe, even more difficult to contain.
He's resilient, but he may not be doing himself any long-term favors by staying in this one. At this point, I don't think I like his chances of winning this.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
I'd have to agree with what Byron said.
Beautiful rolling neck snap.
Totally perfect.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
And he's heading back in. He's looking a little off balance. You can't help but wonder if he can turn things around here in this four-way match.
He's taking on some damage, but so is his opponent. This match can go either way at this point.
Slam down hard.
Dodges that one.
Jaw-shattering boot.
He's not going to like this. Gold slam! But
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
here he goes. Oh, the reversal by The Miz.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
Now back to the ring. Oh, and he breaks free.
But the damage might have already been done, Michael. The Miz was able to get out of the way there.
Oh, nasty impact.
Harsh impact.
What does The Miz have to do at this point to stay in this match? This is absolutely not how he envisioned this four-way match going, guys.
Sure, he'd rather not be on the receiving end here, but let's not lose focus of the fact that he's in far better shape than his opponent right now.
Ooh, what impact. Boom, what impact.
And gentlemen, The Miz may be fading away here.
This is not at all how he envisioned this fatal four-way match going.
For a while there, it looked like he was going to take this match. It's amazing how quickly things can change here in the WWE. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Putting it all on the line. You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He can't take much more.
This could end it in a hurry.
Somebody's got hops.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Man, did you see the height on that?
Oh.
Hey, Byron, just like you, bankrupt.
Oh, no. Here's his moment, Michael.
The Miz with a nice reversal.
Skull-crushing finale. That might just be the final nail.
Shoulders on the mat. 1, 2, 3. Yes!
Unreal performance.
Here is your winner, The Miz.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory.
If that's the type of action we're going to get all night long, I can't wait to see the rest of the card unfold.
Believe it or not, that's just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more great action.